Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Firmware, OS-level hand tracking, and Vrchat input are enabled. This ensures the system can communicate. Next, plug in sensors and allow permissions. Hand tracking needs camera access and motion input. Once done, restart both headset and PC and relaunch Vrchat. This clears stale drivers. If you use Steam VR, make sure its hand tracking option is matched to headset settings. These steps fix most connection layer faults before deeper tweaking. Now you focus on calibration and mapping so tracking reads real motions correctly. Run the headset's hand calibration routine. Do it twice if jitter remains, because accurate skeleton alignment matters. Then, open Vrchat input and map gestures and grip axes. Set sensitivity lower to reduce snapping and higher for responsiveness, testing between changes. Also, optimize lighting and camera angle to minimize occlusion. Poor lighting causes dropped frames and wrong joint positions. Finish with advanced fixes to resolve stubborn issues. If problems persist, update or selectively roll back GPU, USB, and tracking firmware. Drivers can introduce regressions, so test versions. Disable overlays, third-party mods, and duplicate input devices that compete for tracking data. Once done, clear Vrchat cache and test in a simple world. If it still fails, inspect Vrchat logs and use safe mode to isolate conflicts. That log file gives exact errors, so you can target the next fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.